morning as July, and over reed came the fair Kathleen. She smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her two bare feet, from the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a winsome mouth, so I shook myself to be sure I was really there. From Bantry Bay into Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the fair Kathleen, never met in the county down. As she onward sped, sure I shook my head, and I looked with a feeling rare. And I says I to a passer-by, who's a maid with a nut brown hair. He smiled at me and he said he, that's a gem of all Ireland's crown. Young Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay into Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the fair Kathleen, like I met in the county down. The harvest fair should be surely there, and I'll dress in my Sunday clothes, with my shoes shone bright and my hat cocked right, still a kiss from my Sunday rose. No piper smoke, no horse I'll yoke, and my plough will be rust-coloured brown, and my smiling bride from my old fireside sits a star of the county down. From Bantry Bay into Derry Quay, and